Hey Bears, so today we're going to do part 2 of solving one-step equations. So yesterday we dealt with kind of when we are adding or subtracting, and today obviously we're going to do the other two operations, multiplication and division. So right now we have 2x equals 10, and this 2 times x, remember when there is no operation shown, it's understood to be multiplication. So we need to do the opposite of multiplication. Before we can do anything, you guys know at this point, we always draw our line straight down the middle in order to solve for our x value. So we're going to do 2x, the opposite of that, we're going to divide by 2. We need to do 10 divided by 2. And our times 2 divided by 2 are additive inverses. Those are going to cancel each other out. We can draw a line through them. X is going to end up equaling, if I can get this situated on the line, 10 divided by 2 is 5. All right, and again, just like we were doing the past 2 days, we still can do our little check step. Substitute in for x. Is 2 times 5 equal 10? Yes, x equals 5. Alright, now our problem looks a little different, but we're still going to solve for our x value. Again, line straight down the middle. Whatever we do on the left side, we have to do on our right side as well. Right now, I am multiplying by 7. The opposite of that would be to divide by 7. Both sides divided by 7, multiplied by 7, and divide by 7 cancel each other out. Those equal 0. So we're left with x on this side equals 91 divided by 7 is 13. Let's test that out. We have 7, substitute x for 13 equals 91. Is that a true statement? That is true. So we are good on those. All right, so now we're going to do a little bit with multiplication. So as you can see, I have x divided by 2. Remember, fractions are just a division problem, numerator divided by denominator. So this is x divided by 2 equals 31. Again, we need to draw our line straight down the middle. It's a little harder to format this on slides, but you guys should get the gist. We have our line down the middle. I'm going to go ahead and do a times 2 on this side. So this side needs multiplied by 2 to get rid of our divided by 2. I can spell multiplied correctly. And we're also going to take this side and multiply by 2. You guys don't need to use words. You can use a symbol as we talked about, the asterisk, or you can just use a dot. They both mean multiplication. At this point, we're really done using an x to represent multiplication because obviously we have variables and that just gets a little bit confusing. I just didn't research the dot. That's why I'm using the word multiply by. All right, so these two divided by and multiplied by cancel each other out. So this side is going to be left with just x. This side's left with x. X is going to set equal to, oops, can copy this, 31 times 2, which if we do that math, 31 times 2 ends up being 62. So if we tested that out, substituted 62 for x, 62 divided by 2 does equal 31. This is a true statement. All right, so again, you guys have 5 you are going to practice with. If you have questions, let me know. Otherwise, enjoy.